Hello friends, good morning all of you, and this is time to start our class for today. So let's be alert all of you and just try to pay attention. If you know that in previous session people have started towards the working on our verbal ability questions, not exactly questions but some kind of prior knowledge to these exercise we people have discussed. So it included some relationships between different things that was based on generally your study or general knowledge also that you people have to understand. So you need to have a wide database, I mean knowledge of different aspects. It is not all about that one particular subject or not only about English grammar, but it includes number of things that you people have to take care about what you people are preparing for the exams, competitive exams. And from that point of view, we people are going to continue in this session also. Okay. Uh, so I will just share the screen. All of you just ensure that you are able to get my voice properly as well as you are able to see the screen as well. And if it is clear, you just try to reply me. You can reply me chat box or you can just reply by saying yes or no. Okay, fine. Thank you, Pranali, for your response. And let's try to go for these kind of things. So again, just give me few seconds to set me the screen properly. All right. So let's try to begin with this kind of things now. We people are going to talk about this worker and the product. Okay. So there are a number of professions or the people or the craftsmen are who are doing some kind of work, and out of that there are some productions in the sense work. Okay. So you all know mason. What is the work or what is the product of mason? He builds a wall. Okay. Similarly, we people will talk about farmer. So what does a farmer do? He cultivates crops or he produces crops. Okay. Similarly, hunter. So hunter catches prey. Okay. Then we people have carpenter. Carpenter makes furniture. So furniture is the product of carpenter. Then we all know author. Author means writer. Writer writes a book. So book is product of author. Goldsmith. Goldsmith makes ornaments. You can call it jewelry also. Here we have butcher. So butcher sells meat. Then cobbler is here. Cobbler just makes shoes. Okay. So all are requested to join on time. I think that there are some students joining late. Okay. So it disturbances in between me. Okay. So shoes is the product of cobbler. Then we'll go for poet. So what is the work of poet? He or she writes poem. Instead of writing, we will use the word compose. So they compose poems. Then we people will talk about editor. So editor is related with newspaper and he writes editorial column in the newspaper, or generally he edits news in the newspaper. Teacher, very simple, all you people know, teacher gives education. Chef, what is the work of chef or product? That is, he cooks food. Judge, judge gives justice. Here is choreographer. So choreographer is related with dance. So ballet is a kind of dance that is the product of choreographer. Producer. Producer produces a film. Okay. Then here is architect. So architect makes a design of different work. So making design is product of architect. Tailor, product will be clothes, sewed clothes. And dramatist, play is the product of dramatist. Now we people will talk here the different relationship, and this relationship is about product, and for that product what kind of raw material is required, that will be we people are going to discuss hereafter. So first of all, here is prism and glass. So who will tell me which is product and which is a raw material? Here, prism and glass. I think that you people might have done some kind of experiments in physics with prism. Mostly, uh, if the light transfers through the prism, then you're able to see the what happens with the rainbow, 7 colors. So anybody has any idea? Let me know. So we're talking about product and raw material. So you'll come to know prism is product, and it is made up of what? Prism is made up of what? It is made up of raw material. Okay. So like this. So let me know my voice is audible to you clearly. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Sayush.
सर स्क्रीन ते पहिलीच आहे
Okay,
मेसन
screen
आणि वॉल्स
screen is not properly visible. Okay, wait. So I will share it once again. I hope now you people are able to see it. Prism and glass.
यस सर
Okay, fine. Thank you. So all right. Huh? Okay. So I was telling you people that prism is made up of glass, and prism is the product which is made up of raw material of glass. Similarly, we'll talk about now butter and milk. Let me know, butter and milk, is it visible? Buttermilk. Fine. So butter is made up of,
यस सर
okay, fine. Butter is made up of milk. All right. So here milk is raw material. Wall and brick. Brick is raw material. Wall is product. Furniture and wood. Furniture is made up of wood. Then we people will go for next, and that is shoes, leather. So leather is raw material used for making of shoes. Pullover, wool. So here you people will think of this, that pullover is a kind of cloth which is made up of wool, a kind of sweater you can call it, like sweater but not exactly sweater. So pullover, so this is made up of wool. Metal, raw material is here, or rubber is made up of latex. Then here we people have jaggery. So jaggery is made from sugarcane. So sugarcane is raw material for jaggery. Wine and grapes. Wine is made up of grapes. Fabric is made from yarn. Yarn is raw material. Cloth, fiber is raw material for cloth. Road, asphalt. Asphalt is used for making of road. There are a number of other things also. It is not only asphalt that makes a road. Okay. There are a number of other things also. Book, paper is raw material for book. Sack is made up of jute. Omelette and egg. We can say here that omelette is made up of egg. Okay. We cannot call that egg is a raw material, but in the term of, in the sense of understanding, we'll call it omelette is made up of egg. Then here is jewelry. Jewelry is made up of gold. Linen is made from flax. Oil is extracted from seeds. Paper is made from pulp. Okay. All right. Now here we are going to have the next kind of relationship, and this relationship is going to deal with part and whole relationship. So whole represents the entire part, entire object, or it can be a thing, and part will be some part of that object. So like this, you can You can get it from the example given here. So in this case, you will come to know pen and nib. So here you will come to know pen represents whole thing here. And nib is part of what? Nib is part of pen, like this. We people have to understand. So next points that people are going to see, it is like this. Nib is part of pen. So pencil and lead. So lead is part of pencil. Then we people will talk about house and kitchen. Kitchen is part of house. Next, we people have fan and blade. Blade is part of fan. Class and student. Student is part of class. Room and window. Window is part of room. Aeroplane. Cockpit. Cockpit is part of aeroplane. Book and chapter. Chapter is part of book. Now we people have word and intensity. So let's try to understand what does it mean by intensity. For example, a particular word is there, but its extreme or intensity will be shown by another word. Okay, they can be similar but not exactly same. That we people have to understand, and we'll try to see the example. So in this example, you come to know anger is a feeling. Okay, but if you talk about rage, rage also conveys the same feeling, but here the intensity of being angry is more. It is extremely angry. In case of extremely angry, it will go to rage. So this is the difference between anger and rage. So the relationship here that we people are going to discuss, it is word, and its intensity means maximum or highest point or extreme point that will be considered by this word. Okay, so rage is the higher intensity than anger. So wish and desire, now you people can think about these two words. So wish means just that you want to get something, okay, that is wish. But desire means you strongly want something, that becomes your desire. Okay, so like this we people are going to understand this relationship. So see the next here, kindle and burn. In this case, kindle is just lighting of something. Lighting of fire will be kindle, but burn indicates its intensity. Next, sink and drone. Sink means just going down in a water, but drone means that something that reaches to the bottom of the water body. So that is droning. Quarrel and war. You'll come to know quarrel is a small fight, war is a big fight. Something like this. So intensity increases with the word war. The next is error and blunder. You'll come to know error is a small mistake, blunder is a big mistake. So intensity will be more here. Then we people will talk about the next example, famous and renowned. You'll come to know famous means that is popular, but with limited area, limited people. But renowned means well known, and renowned means that known to over large area, large people. Next, unhappy just conveys feeling of just being not happy, but sad means it indicates that you are, that is lack of happiness totally. Refuse means just saying no, but deny means flat no. Means there is no any expectation or opportunity of being yes. Okay, crime means just doing something wrong, but sin means that you have done such number of crimes, then it gets sin. Moist means just getting wet, but drench means it is continuously or for longer period of time it is wet, and so therefore it is drench. Now next relationship, and this relationship is about synonyms. All you people have come across with number of vocabulary, so out of that you people have to understand that synonyms. So abode means same as dwelling place or living place or natural habitat. These are other words that you people can get it for the abode or dwelling. So abode means almost the same dwelling. But again, here you people have to understand that it is not always exactly the same. Okay, so it may be similar but not exactly the same. Blend, mixture, same, mix. Ban, prohibition, same meaning. Assign means a lot, same meaning. Vacant and empty, synonyms. Abduct, kidnap, similar meaning. Dearth and scarcity, same. Next is dissipate and squander, synonyms: sedate, calm; brim, age; house, home. So just try to understand that they are not exactly same, because house and home, there is difference. What is home? Home is associated with your family members, their feelings, love, affection, etc. That is home. And house is just four walls. So that is house. So there is difference between house and home, but they are synonyms. Solicit, request; then presage, predict; next haughty, proud; okay, flaw, defect; fierce, violent; fallacy, illusion; substitute, replace; mend, repair; alight, descend; presume, assume, similar. Now we are moving towards the last part of relationship for this presentation, and that is antonym. So as we people have just discussed a synonym, you people have to remember antonym also. So attack and defend, they're completely opposite of each other. Okay. Similar, we people will talk about advance means going ahead, retreat means coming back, cruel, kind, best, worst, fresh, stale. Simple words are ignore, notice, initial, final. Then condense, expand, contract, expand, similar like this. Chaos, peace. Chaos means a kind of disorder or lack of peace. Create, destroy, we know it. Gradual, slowly. Abrupt, suddenly. Sink, drowning. Float, maybe on the surface of water. You can see floating is there. Robust, strong, weak. Gentle, harsh. Deep, shallow. Cordial, hostile. Cordial means friendly. Affirm means like confirm. Opposite, deny. Mourn, rejoice. Lethargy, alertness. Kindle, extinguish. Lend, borrow. Okay, so that's all about these kind of relationships that we people have discussed so far. I hope that you people might have got it right. And now it is our turn that we should go some exercise based on these kind of relationship. Okay, so therefore what I will do, I'll stop sharing this presentation and I will come with another presentation where we people will just go for some exercise which is based on these kind of things that we people have just studied. Okay, so just let me know. That I'm going to share another presentation and you are able to see it. So give me few seconds to just begin with exercise. Now all of you have to be very alert for answering the questions. Okay. So someone just reply me that if you're able to see this presentation. Is it visible? I think that my voice is not audible or it is not visible. What is it?
Visible, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Chaitanya. And let's try to go to the next slide. Just check if the next slide is visible. You are able to see type 1 exercise, completing the analogous pair. Are you able to see this here? Is the next slide visible or only first one?
Only first visible as
First
a
one,
next
sir.
one.
I don't know why does it happen, because once I just start with this slide, next slide is not visible to you people, and you are able to see only first slide. So slide show I will share once again. Now you will be able to see it. Okay, so we'll just go for exercise. Fine. So you know that what kind of these analogous pairs are? I have explained in last session also that in this type of questions, two words are given. Okay, so two words are given. These words are related to each other in some way. Means first word is given here, and there is another word is also given here, and there is some relationship. That relationship that you people have to find it out. If you are able to find it out the relationship of this first pair, then only you are able to find out the relationship from the next pair. If you are not able to find out the relationship in first pair, in that case you are not able to find out the relationship in the next pair, which is given here in the four options A, B, C, D, like this. So the candidate is required to find out the relationship between the first two words and choose the word from the given alternatives which bears the same relationship to the third word as the first two bear. Like this, we people are going to see here few illustrative examples are given, and you people are able to read the question and you are going to reply me. So here first pair of word is newspaper and press. Okay, so try to find out what kind of relationship is here between newspaper and press. So similar relationship we have to find it out between cloth and from the options given here. So your options are A, tailor, B, textile, C, fiber, D, factory, and E, mill. So let's get answer from you people. I got answer from Vaibhav. Okay, from Sakshi also I got answer, from Pranali and Chaitanya also. So here I would like to tell you people, you may just getting some confusion that two or three options might be similar to getting answer. Okay, so therefore you are expected to answer it wisely. So let's talk about first pair here. That newspaper and press. What relationship people have to consider here? That newspaper is printed in press. Okay, so press is the place where newspaper is generated, created, made. Similarly, we people have to think about the cloth. Where is it made? Is it made with tailor? Tailor does not make a cloth. So option A will be there? No, option A will not be there. Let's talk about fiber. So from fiber it is made. From fiber it is made, but even that fiber also cannot be answer. Now let's talk about textile. Okay, so textile also cannot be answer. Factory, even factory also cannot be answer. Let's talk about mill. So mill is the place where you people get the clothes prepared. Like this, you people are going to arrive at the your answer. Okay, so why solution is this? Just as newspaper is prepared in the press, so cloth is manufactured in the mill. Okay, then you people have to see the question number second in front of you. Bombay, Maharashtra. So Trivandrum, for Trivandrum, what you people are going to choose? Calcutta, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Kerala, Sikkim. So I got answer from Pranali. Others just do react immediately. Meanwhile, you people can just try to think. Yes, Suraj also answered. What is relationship? Sakshi also answered. Bombay and Maharashtra. All you people are familiar with this. Okay. What relationship we find? Chaitanya, Pooja also answered. So Bombay is the capital of Maharashtra. Okay, what is it? It is capital of Maharashtra, and Bombay is the old name of Mumbai. Okay, all right. So that relationship you people have to find out. So the Trivandrum is the capital. This is capital. Capital of what? Capital of some of the state. Name of the state that you people have to find it out. Okay, Shubham also answered. So let's talk about these things now. Let's think about first of all Calcutta. So is the Calcutta name of any state? Calcutta is a state. Is it a state? Or is it capital? Answer me.
West Bengal.
Yes, Suraj, you're right. That is the capital of West Bengal. So we are about to choose the state. We are not going to choose the capital here. Now let's talk about Gujarat. So who will tell me what is the capital of Gujarat? Capital of Gujarat? Anybody having general knowledge? You might have studied it in your 10th standard probably. Nobody knows. Gujarat, capital of Gujarat. Is it Trivandrum? Let me know. Is it Trivandrum? It's not Trivandrum. Then what is it? I don't know whether you people don't want to answer or you really don't know. What is the case? You don't want to the answer?
Ahmedabad.
Okay. Okay, fine. So you'll come to know Gandhinagar. Okay. Gandhinagar will be the capital of Gujarat. Let's go for Rajasthan. So what is the capital of Rajasthan? Is it Trivandrum? Trivandrum is not capital of Rajasthan. So you may ask, sir, we are from civil engineering, where you are
Jaipur.
taking. Okay, yes, Suraj, right. That is Jaipur. So answer is not there. Let's go. Here will come at the end. We'll go here first. Sikkim. What is capital of Sikkim? If you have seen the map of India, you'll come to know exactly place of Sikkim. Above West Bengal, you'll come to know we have one state called Sikkim. So what is capital of Sikkim? Is it Trivandrum? Quickly find it out. Capital of Sikkim. Okay. I think that you people are not able to find it out. So we'll come to know Gangatok. What is capital? Gangatok. Fine. So now come to the answer. All those who people answered option D, all of you people are right. Vaibhav, Reshma and Shubham and everyone, those who replied me in chat box, that option D is the right answer. Okay. So Kerala is the state in the south of India and its capital is Tirunelveli. Okay. So Tirunelveli is the present name of Trivandrum. So Trivandrum is the old name of Tirunelveli. So option D is right answer for this question. So like this, you people can just try to be a lot of this. Okay. Now next question number 3 is in front of you, and this question says vigilant alert. So you people have to think about viable, and you people have to tell me the right answer here. And your options are like this: active, gentle, hopeless, feasible, useful. So tell me which option you people will choose for viable. Almost 42 students are connected with us. So I will help you people to just come to the answer. So vigilant and alert, they are synonyms. So people have to find out similar meaning word for viable. So just check, is it active? Is it gentle? Is it hopeless? Is it feasible? Is it useful? Finally, I got answer from Ankita. So let's go to the answer immediately. Option D is the answer. Why? Viable and feasible, they are same meaning. So therefore, option D is answer for this question. Yes, Pranali, that's right. Shubham also. So with this, let's go to the next question. Next question is in front of you, and this question is like this: doctor and nurse, they are similar in one way. So similarly, you people have to find out here what will come for follower. Okay, out of the options like A, employer, B, leader, C, worker, D, manager, E, union. And for this, you people can use poll also. But in poll, there are only 4 options. Option E is not available, but I will tell option E is not answer at all. So people have to choose between A, B, C, D. You can click close it. Poll is visible on your screen. Immediately, people can choose answer. All of you, almost I want 41 responses. Everybody is going to click on the poll. So poll will be visible for just 30 seconds. Okay. And meanwhile, you people can answer through chat box also. I got answer from Sayush. So poll has been closed. Let's try to talk about the answer. Pranali also answered in chat box. You can use both ways, poll or chat box. Let me know which will be useful for you people, poll or chat box. What will be comfortable to you? Accordingly, we people use it for next question. So doctor and nurse, what happens here? Who follows whom? Doctor follows nurse or nurse follows doctor? You will come to know that nurse follows doctor. Similarly, we people have to understand that who is going to follow out of these given options, employer and follower. Is there any kind of following? No, employer follower does not follow employer. Then let's talk about worker and follower. No. Manager and follower. No. Union follower. No. So those who answered me option B is right. In poll, I can see 58% people chose right answer, that is option B. And so therefore, people will go with option B as an answer. Now, next question is in front of you, and this question will be like this: cattle and herd. So for sheep, what do people are going to choose? I got answer from Sayush. I think that people have discussed in relationships, whatever 2 lectures we people have done previously, in that we people have discussed. So flock, swam, crowd, shoal, mob. And hint I will give, this is collective noun. People have to choose collective noun. So cattle, herd is collective noun for cattle. So for what is collective noun for sheep? So I got answer from Ankita. No, Ankita answered for earlier question. Only Sayush answered this time. Pranali also answered. Okay, you can just check the eliminate options also. Swam is for what? That is for bees. Okay. Crowd is for man. Okay. Then you'll come to know about shoal. Shoal is for fish. Okay. And mob, again, mob is for man. So what left? You'll come to know, we call it flock of sheep. So therefore, answer A is going to be option A is going to be answer. Yes, Adishakti, that's right. So that was some few examples which were illustrated examples. Now you are going to begin with exercise. So we're not going to read any directions here. Same kind of questions will be there. So question number first is in front of you. And this says moon and satellite, they are related with each other. Similarly, Earth and which one of the following options like sun, planet, solar system, or asteroid will be similar to Earth? Immediately I got answers from Sayush and Suraj. Others, everybody try to answer. It is not for just few students. It is everybody. Like here I can see, yes, Adi Shakti, Ankita, they have also answered. Other people here connected, Madhuri Shinde, Minal Tengil, Sanket Bagal. I'm taking randomly names. Ashish Borade, Govind Dhotre, then Vishal More, Suraj Phate, Sanket Shinde, Anurag Shinde, Rohan Vansale, Rohit Vansale, Gaurav, Aditya Raut. Everybody try to answer. Now just come to the answer. We'll try to understand that moon and satellite. You'll come to know what is moon. If you ask the question, what is moon? Moon is satellite. Moon is natural satellite of our Earth. Similarly, if you ask what is Earth, let's try to get answer. Is Earth a sun? No, Earth is not sun. Is it planet? Yes, Earth is planet. Is it solar system? No, it is part of solar system, but not solar system. Asteroid? Earth is not asteroid. So this way people can immediately jump to the answer that option B is an answer. So everybody answered this. Anurag, Pranali, and Reshma and Adishakti, everybody, thank you for responding. But you just people try to learn. Don't be just passive listeners here. Don't stay connected and just do some other work, but rather take part in such kind of answers. So option B, planet is answer. Similarly, next question number 2 is in front of you. All of you just be alert, read it. Forecast is related with future. So regret will be related with what? Your options are like option A, present, option B, atone, option C, past, option D, since. I got answer, immediate answer from Sayush. So you'll come to know weather forecasting is the proper, I think that the phrase that people listen, weather forecasting. So what does the weather forecasting means? What is going to happen with weather? So upcoming 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. So it is going to tell us about what? Future. Okay. So regret, I think that regret is also simple word that we people have used it number of times. So regretting is about what? So I got answer from Pranali as well. So is it related with present? Not related with present. Is it a tone? Not a tone at all. So we'll come to know future, that is the time. Similarly, we people will go for the time that is past. So therefore, you people are going to choose option C as an answer. So Adi Shakti also answered. All right. So all you people will come to know that past, regret and past, they're related in the same way. Forecast and future, they are related. Now let's talk about this question. Question number 3 is in front of you. This question says influenza and virus. How they're related with that? Influenza is the name of disease which is caused because of virus. Similarly, we people will talk about now typhoid. So typhoid is also a name of disease and it is caused because of what? Is it because of bacillus? Is it because of parasite? Is it because of protozoa? Or is it because of bacteria? Pranali answered it immediately. Others. Suraj also answered. Sayush also answered. Adi Shakti answered. Well, so remaining people, those who are thinking of the answers will come to know parasite or protozoa. These cannot be answers. Bacillus also cannot be answer. Protozoa cannot be answer. So what left? This is bacteria. So typhoid is caused because of bacteria. So option B is going to be the correct answer for this question. All right, everybody of you, I hope that you are just getting it, learning it. You are just able to come to know something out of these things. With this, let's go for the next question. Number 4 is in front of you. And this question says fear and threat. They're related with each other. So similarly, anger and which one of the following options will choose for this? So compulsion, panic, provocation, force. So I got answer from Adi Shakti and Suraj. Others just try to. Okay, Sayush is also here. Pranali also answered. So let's try to understand first pair of. Okay, so fear and threat. What happens? So fear is caused because of what? If somebody threats you, or if you threat someone, it will result into fear. Okay, if you threat someone, it will result into fear. Similarly, what will be out of these options will result into anger? Okay, is it compulsion? Compulsion will not lead to anger at all. Panic and anger, no, panic cannot be. Force also cannot be. Let's think of the provocation. So what is provocation? Provocation is something like you are teasing to someone from their height, from their color, from their, maybe you're calling them with their nickname, pet name, or maybe there can be a number of reasons to provocate. So if you provocate someone, that will result into anger. Okay, so this way you people are going to choose option C. Yes, Sakshi. Option C is the right answer for this question. Now next question, very simple question, is for all of you, and this question says melt is related with liquid. So freeze is related with what? Is it related with ice, condense, solid, crystal? I hope that you people have studied states in physics. Okay, and so therefore you might be able to answer it immediately. I got answer from Reshma. At the end, I will disclose answer. I got answer from Sayush. Suraj also. So don't be in a hurry. Just try to. I also give you hint. We are talking here about states. If something is melted, it gets converted into what? Liquid. Okay. So liquid is state. Similarly, if something is freezed, then it will get converted into what? So Pooja and Adi Shakti also answered. Sayush also answered. You can correct yourself if you are choosing something option. In that case, you can correct yourself also. Okay. All right, Ankita. At the end, we'll come to the answer. Okay, Vaibhav. Let's see the answer now. After explanation, also, I'm explaining what is this. Okay. So if you melt something, let's take an example of Sakshi. Yes. Let's take an example of ice. Okay. So this is ice. If you melt ice, it will get converted into water. Okay. So water is what? It is liquid. Okay. Same example. Now freeze. Okay. If you freeze the water, then water will get converted into what? It will get converted into ice. But we are
Ice.
not going. Yes, exactly. But we are not going to think about the ice. Its state. So ice is in which state? It is into
Solid.
yes, exactly. It is into solid. So those who chose ice, for them, you just get it correct that it is solid. We are talking about state. We are not talking about the object. Okay. So therefore, if you freeze something, it will get converted into solid. So option C is answer and not A. All right. With this, now next, a very simple question for all of you. Clock measures time. So thermometer will measure what? Heat, radiation, energy, or temperature immediately. I got answer from Sayush, Reshma. Chaitanya answered.
Temperature.
Yes, Vaibhav, that's temperature. Everybody is right. Yes, Suraj also. That we people have just discussed. That it is not about heat, not radiation, not energy also, but thermometer is there to check your temperature. Usually we use it to check our body temperature. All right, Ankita, you're also right. Yes, Pranali, that's correct. Without wasting much of time, we people will just see the answer, that is temperature, and we'll move towards the next question. Number 7 is very simple for all of you, and this is Muslims are related with mosque. How they're related? I will explain it. So Sikhs will be related with what? Is it with Golden Temple, Medina, fire temple, or Gurudwara? I got answer from Sayush. So you know that Muslim people go into the mosque for prayer. Okay. Yes, I got answer from Suraj also. So for prayer, Muslim people go to the mosque. So same thing we people have to think about the Sikh people. So Sikh people will go for prayer, for worship in, not in golden temple. Okay, they will go into Gurudwara. So option D is going to be answer. So those who answer me option D, they are right. Everyone. All right, all right. So option D is the answer for this question, and that's right. Okay, so today we'll try to cover 2-3 more questions. We'll finish 10 questions and we'll take pause here. So let's think of this question now. Question number 8 is in front of you, and this says paw is of cat. So hoof is of what? Yes, Sanyush got it right. Sanyush answered me. Hoof is of horse, lion, lamb, or elephant. Suraj also answered me. So what is paw? If you have seen a cat, so leg of cat, front part of cat's leg. So that is called paw, panja. Okay, so similarly, hoof. Yes, Pooja also answered. Pranali also answered. Everybody, you are answering it right. Everyone, those who answered, that's right. And I'll just make it right that everybody answered option A, that horse. Yes, Ankita also right. That hoof is of a horse. All right, with this, let's move towards the question number 9. Question number 9 says eye is related with myopia. So teeth is related with what? Is it pyorrhea, cataract, trachoma, eczema? So these are the name of the diseases. So myopia is the disease which is related with eye. Okay. So similarly, people have to find out disease which is related with teeth. So I'll tell you cataract is related with eye. So you cannot go for cataract. Out of A, C, D, you have to choose. So Sanyush answered it. So I have just told that option B cannot be answered. Pranali answered. Pooja also answered. All right, so option A is answer. All of you just answered it right. Pyorrhea. Pyorrhea is the name of disease which is related with teeth. Okay. And with this will be the last question for today's session that you people are able to see. And after this question, we people are going to stop our session. So tractor and trailer. So horse and what? Stable, cart, saddle, or engine? You people answer me. Sayush answered. How you are going to? Yes, Vaibhav?
Cart.
Cart. So according to Vaibhav, it's cart. Others, just check if the cart is right. So let's try to talk about why cart or why. First pair. So out of tractor and trailer. So what pulls what? Tractor pulls trailer or trailer pulls tractor. You'll come to know tractor is having power and it pulls trailer. Similarly, now here horse is going to have power which is going to pull. Is it stable? No. Stable is a place where horses are kept. That is living place of horse. Saddle is also not. That is the I think the object which is kept on the back of horse to sit. Engine is no relevant here. Okay. So therefore, what left? So cart is pulled by horse. So similar. So therefore, option B is the right answer for this question. So that's all right. So that's all for today. I hope that you people are just learning something. You are able to answer it. You are going to revise it also. And as I told you, if you try to get the book of R.S. Agarwal, we people will try to solve one exercise one day or in one session. So this way we people will go and will cover everything. So let's try to take attendance for today. So let me know, Pooja Ingre, are you from this class? If you are from this class, what is your roll number? What is your division? because you are just mentioned Pooja Ingre only. Other things I don't know. So all of you just ensure I will take attendance. Roll number 1, 3, then roll number 8, roll number 9, 10, 11, 13, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 27, 30, 33, 34, 36, 38, 42, 43, 51, 52, 53, 55, 56, 60, then 61, 65, 66, 67, 70, 71, 73, 75, 76. Vishal Kadam, 76. Do join session on time. You join very late, Vishal Kadam. 77. All right. So these are just present numbers. So I think that this Pooja Ingre, is it audible, Pooja Ingre? Because she just connected and she's not replying also. And I don't know. I will mark you absent simply. So with this, we'll stop here. Any questions, any suggestions, any ideas, any difficulties, something, just try to reply me. So if you reply something, yes, no question, no doubt, okay, something like this, then I can just proceed. So is there any question or difficulty or suggestion?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So with this, I will end this meeting for all. So thank you for joining today, and do join for the next session also.